Hey guys, so I'm back here with another video, and today I got the proboat jet jam ready to run, no propeller, and self-righting. This is from Horizon Hobby. So here are the two different colors of the boat and some different sticker colors too. Here's the front, top, and the back. So you can see it's a jet boat, so no propeller sticking out. And here are some of the features. So let's open her up. So here it is, we got the white one, and yeah. So here we have the owner's manual, the connector guide, and we have different color stickers. So you can choose whatever one you want, and a real cool brand swag, or whatever that is. I think I'm gonna go with the blue, because it looked pretty cool to have blue and white together. Here's the remote, pretty simple, just steering trim on top, and then the on and off switch, and yeah. Looks like you get a boat stand, the battery for the boat, and it looks like AA batteries for the controller. And of course the boat. Here's the battery and charger. Battery's nice. And the charger is just a normal USB port. So this is the little system to close it. It's just like a twisting thing, which has that right down there. Here's inside the boat. You get this like pull pusher around thing so you can like push things around. I'm gonna be using this for a recovery boat so I can push my other boat around if it gets stuck out on the lake, and just for driving around. And here's inside the brush system, the jet area, jet powered area, and the servo, ESC, and yeah, the receiver right there too, and that's where the battery goes. Nice because there's a rubber tip here, so if you bonk into anything, you won't crack the boat at all. Going back here, and I got the stickers on. It looks super nice. I chose blue. Looks really sleek. There's no prop, and yeah. A driving video will be coming soon. I'm gonna bringing this to a lake or a creek. So I hope you stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.